Hey there, aspiring trainers. Welcome back to our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this 18th episode, we're going to dive into a topic that every trainer faces at some point: managing unexpected situations. Get ready to equip yourself with the skills to handle these situations, adapt, and remain calm under pressure. As a trainer, unexpected situations can range from technical difficulties to challenging participant behaviors or even external disruptions. Here are some practical examples, expert insights, and actionable tips to empower you to handle unexpected situations effectively. 1. Stay calm and composed. When faced with unexpected situations, it's crucial to remain calm and composed. Take a deep breath, maintain a positive mindset, and remember that your ability to stay calm sets the tone for the entire workshop. 2. Assess the situation. Take a moment to assess the situation and understand the nature and impact of the unexpected event. Is it a technical glitch, a disruptive participant, or an external disturbance? Understanding the situation will help you determine the appropriate course of action. 3. Have a contingency plan. Prepare a contingency plan for potential unexpected situations. This can include backup equipment, alternative activities or exercises, and strategies to handle disruptive participants. Having a plan in place allows you to adapt quickly and effectively. 4. Communicate with participants. Keep participants informed about the situation and any necessary adjustments. Transparent communication helps manage expectations and keeps everyone engaged and focused during unexpected situations. Let them know what steps you're taking to address the issue and any changes to the workshop plan. 5. Seek support if needed. Don't hesitate to seek support from co-facilitators, organizers, or technical staff if the situation requires additional assistance. Collaboration and teamwork can help resolve unexpected situations more efficiently. 6. Adapt and improvise. In the face of unexpected situations, be ready to adapt and improvise. Think on your feet and be creative in finding alternative solutions or activities. This flexibility allows you to maintain the flow of the workshop and ensure a valuable experience for participants. 7. Learn from the experience. After the workshop, take the time to reflect on the unexpected situation and identify lessons learned. Use this experience to enhance your preparation for future workshops and develop strategies to handle similar situations more effectively. Remember, unexpected situations are a part of the training journey, but by staying calm and composed, assessing the situation, having a contingency plan, communicating with participants, seeking support, adapting and improvising, and learning from the experience, you can navigate these situations successfully. Thank you for joining me as we explored strategies for managing unexpected situations. Stay tuned for the next episode.